Assalamualaikum to our lecturer Dr. Idris Osman and to fellow friends. My name is Baizura Sulatin from Group NBH 5A. My presentation today is about artificial intelligence in bracket AI in staffing organizations, empowering employers to overcome recruitment challenges. Now we see what is the definition of AI. AI can be defined as the work process done by machines that would require intelligence if performed by humans. Thus, AI is nothing but investigating intelligent problem-solving behavior and creating intelligent systems. John McCarthy is an American mathematician and computer scientist who pioneered the AI field in 1955. He assumed that every aspect of learning and all types of intelligence can be described so precisely that they can be simulated by machine. Let's see the next slide. I will explain what is the importance of AI. First, AI can save money and time. For example, AI machines can collect large amount of data within few seconds. Next, AI can generate business insight to make smart decisions. AI machines are efficient at data processing to produce relevant answers to any queries that arise in the business. AI also can improve customer experience. For instance, chatbots that driven by AI allow business to provide customer care services. Next, challenges of AI to employers. Even though AI giving countless benefits to business and industries, it also has its own challenges. Some of the employers' main reason they have not further adopted AI because their company does not recognize the needs for it. First challenges is data quality and quantity. In order to identify patterns in a way similar to humans, AI even more data than we do. Second, data labeling. When adopting AI, it is trained in supervised way, so it needs data to be labeled for textual, images, videos, and others. Third, the transfer of learning. Humans can share their experience with other humans in case specific learning, but for AI, it continues to have difficulties carrying its experience from one set of circumstances to another. That is why we recognize an AI is specialized in one specific task. Next, challenges of AI in recruiting talents. First challenges is messing up with existing recruiting process. For example, many HR seniors and company owners are scared that the implementation and adoption of AI can destroy their current recruiting process. Second is losing the human touch. Applicants prefer human communication rather than talking to chatbots or receiving automated replies. Third, bias. AI tools are expected to reduce bias related to name, age, gender, nationality, and many more. There is a concern that we may accidentally introduce bias in the system itself. Next, impact of AI on recruiting talents. A single person may take 23 hours or more on the part of recruiters to screen resume and shortlist relevant profile. By implementing AI in this situation, recruiters can do away with the time-consuming task going through stacks of resumes by automating the entire process. Second, using chatbots for communication can be a great help for HR teams with a variety of administrative tasks, such as collecting employee data and conducting initial screening. Lastly, one of the most advanced AI is using the physical interview robot. This is considered as the most innovative techniques in which you can implement a physical interview robot to hire best candidate. Okay, now let's see the improvement AI recruitment for employers' future survivor. First, trial and error. We need to try until we get the best result from the AI. Second, understand your current recruiting process. Analyze your recruiting process and find the stakeholders and their roles. Third, understand the environment. It means that we need to understand the abilities and limitation of AI by looking at companies that are already trying AI in recruiting and also looking at their result. As conclusions, by hook or by crook, industries need to accept and apply this technology so that they did not left behind, because technology will keep on improving without knowing how to stop. Sooner or later, recruiting candidates with current process will maybe unacceptable or even burdening the industries itself. They need to start experimenting, doing trial and errors to adapt and implement artificial intelligence in the industries. Thank you.